Here's something you can help with. Couch Cares. 4-year-old Ansh was born deaf and therefore never learned to speak. We highlighted his case a few months back. This little cochlear implant costing 9.48 lakhs has the power of changing Ansh's life. But his poor parents could hardly afford this costly implant. Couch Care stepping in gave Dr. Hans the impetus he needed, which would change Ansh's life forever. So, Dr. Hans, this is a happy day. Ansh is going to have his surgery.
Koil, I would give the credit to you because you gave this appeal on your program, and instead of one implant, this lady, generous lady, gave me 4 implants, and this child had total deafness, profound deafness since birth, and for this we put a cochlear implant. So I'm going to put the inside thing today, right now, and the switch on the outer thing which has the speech processor, which is called the speech processor, has the microphone and the battery, would be given to him 4 weeks later.
Fingers crossed.
We've actually on the computer see that the child is hearing now. These are called the ART reflexes, the auditory reflex threshold reflexes, and now we'll have to go back to day one when the clap and whisper and do all kinds of different sounds, and then he starts speaking all that he has heard and understood.
BLK Memorial Hospital will cover the cost of surgery. Though successful implantation has given Ansh a new lease of life, to be able to speak he still needs post-operative rehabilitation, which will cost 75,000 rupees a year.
2 साल तक स्पीच थेरेपी करवा के फिर बच्चा नॉर्मल बोलेगा, उसके लिए भी पैसों की कुछ मदद हो जाए.
So keep your contributions coming and we'll keep showing you how we're spending your money. To donate to Couch Cares, please log on to headlinestoday.in. You have the power to change lives.